Here's how to fix the Discord update failed error. 3 methods. First, fully close Discord. Right-click its icon in the hidden taskbar icons and select Quit Discord. Open Task Manager and confirm Discord is not running. Press Windows R, type %local app data % and press Enter. Find and open the Discord folder. Locate updates.exe, right-click it, and rename it to Updates Repair. Go back to App Data, open the Roaming folder, find Discord, then open the Cache folder and delete everything inside. Relaunch Discord and test. If it still fails, search for Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off and turn it off for both public and private networks temporarily. Relaunch Discord. If it updates successfully, you can turn the firewall back on and add Discord as an exception. If nothing works, search for Add or Remove Programs. Find Discord, click the 3 dots, and uninstall it. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Discord, and reinstall it fresh to clear any corrupted files. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.